Morning, everyone. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. Said that I was going to be making quite a few videos about this blizzard, or March blizzard of 2017. Seems to have taken a very interesting turn this morning. Not only do we have snow, ice, and hail, but we've got pea-sized hail. The snow seems to have stopped for a short period of time, and now we're getting hail. It's about, I want to say, probably about, it's about pea-sized hail. As you can hear it. Hear that? Do you hear that? Look at the hail bouncing off of the, look at that. You see that? That's gonna hurt today. It's really gonna hurt. This was a perfectly geoengineered storm, nucleated, whatever you want to call it. They were spraying 2 or 3 days with heavy chemtrails right up until the storm hit, as if they were, of course, seeding the clouds, everything, basically to strengthen and intensify the storm. And as you can see, it has really, really taken shape. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. I'm going to go ahead and stick the camera out the window for just a second. I hope it doesn't blow away. Woo! Say 23-mile-an-hour winds. Nah. Now, I was reading news. I had read a couple news articles or news bulletins that they say it was going to probably be between 40 and 60 or 50 and 70, somewhere around there. I checked the local weather this morning. It said 23 miles an hour. There's no way in hell. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and poke the camera out the window for just a second. Hear it? Hear it? Do you hear that? This is incredible. The snow disappeared, and now we're being pelted and bombarded. It feels like sandpaper. Oh man, this is one hell of a day at work. Anyway, I figured I'd give you guys an update. I got a couple videos coming up. I made one earlier this morning. It was crap. I'm probably going to have to edit it or chunk it. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails, reporting to you live, Bronx, New York. March 14th, 2017. It's a Tuesday morning, 9:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Talk to you guys later. Peace.